Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the perspective of an image in Affinity. So let's get into it. I've got my images ready here on the canvas. One document with a laptop image and another one with an abstract image. Now I want to place the abstract image into the laptop screen. To do so, I'll click the abstract image document, drag it out, then I'll select the layer and drag it into the laptop image document. I'll close the abstract image. Then I'll zoom the laptop document out, scale the abstract image down, and place it over the screen. Now with the abstract image still selected, I'll head to the top menu and click on Pixel, New Light Filter Layer, then Distort, and select Perspective. Or I can go to the bottom of the Layers panel, click Filters, and select Perspective. Now the Live Perspective dialog will open up, and you'll see a bounding box with handles at the corners. These are the handles we'll use to adjust the perspective. I'll click and drag one of the corner handles to start shifting the perspective. As you drag, you'll notice the image starts to shift, giving it that perspective effect. You might want to zoom in to get a better view. Next, I'll drag this corner so it meets the screen corner. Now I'll click and drag this corner as well, and this corner too. Let's zoom out now, and let me adjust this handle again. Alright, now it looks good. Once I'm happy with the result, I'll close the Live Perspective dialog. Now the good thing about this is, it's a non-destructive filter, which means once you apply it, you still can go back and make changes. Simply click on this perspective icon on the abstract image layer, and you're good to go. And that's how you change the perspective of an image in Affinity. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comment if you have any questions. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.